up, guys, and welcome to another video. I hope the last video you enjoyed it and you can now make your private server good and make things in it. But now, the most requested video I ever gotten is how to get clean fitment. Let's have an like showcase on how clean fitment should look like. This is clean fitment on my Explorer Ford. This is a slant bit, probably, or stance. Mostly, I don't know the difference between them. But yeah, how to get clean fitments. I'm gonna show you more examples on which cars clean fitments have and how to recognize them. Here is another. This is a static one. Here we have the fitment. It's super duper clean. Like it's just in static. Static cars are mostly with a lot of camber. And here is my BMW E36. Here another example for clean fitment. It doesn't go out of the body kit. Yeah, it's super easy. Just see this video and every of your cars going to look clean. And I have another example, the 240 SX. This car is absolutely clean. Just look at this fitment. This is just one of my craziest and cleanest bits. Here, oh, it's mini. It's clipping mini, but you don't actually see it in like if you're playing the game actually. But this is clean. This is absolutely clean. Yeah, I'm going to showcase you how to get these fitments, what to rims to do, like what rims choice you need to get always, and what the best cars are. Okay, so here we are at Sassis with my 230 SX. This actually has the realistic tune. Mostly not realistic tune, but the static bounce. If you know what it is, you will want to have it. So basically what it is, it just bounces in the back if you like brake or give gas. So the first thing you need to do, you don't need to upgrade. You can upgrade, but it's mostly you don't need it. The most important part is suspension. It's actually very important. The second most important is wheel width. I'm not capping. Most of the people make their cars. Yeah, that's how they leave it. And that's how it looks. Yeah, that's what most of the people make. And I'ma show you how to fix it so your cars look 10 times better. Okay, so this is an example car, of course. I'ma make it everything from zero with no suspension and everything. This car is already upgraded but has no suspension. Let's make it stock real quick, guys. Alright, this beautiful car is stock now with the suspension and everything related to it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the suspension that you want to take every time. And if you want a static cars have like basically no suspensions and they have a static bounce. Just make the dampening zero, make the pre-comp maxed, limit, comp limit maxed, and yeah, that's how it is. You make the stiffness mostly like something like here, like this. Yeah, this looks fine to me. Then you just make the dampening 200 in the front, not too much, and everything up again. You don't need to do this, of course. This is a realistic tune. This is not a like example for how to get clean fitment. And always make the wheel width 400. I'm telling you, if you don't do this, I don't know, bro. Make the wheel size something. If the wheels are too big, make them 100 minus or something like this. 90, let's make 90 and 90 in the front and the back. Okay. Now let's take rims. Basically something like those. Those are static ones. And maybe something like this. These ones. Don't take these ones. Trust me. Don't take these ones. They look back. Take bigger with those. I don't know how to say it exactly, but you know what I mean. We have these ones as well. I'm gonna take actually these ones. These looks clean. Clean as hell. Okay, so we have this everything, and the camber is the most important. Don't make a car's camber minus 150. Mostly it looks ugly. Make between 50 to 0. This is the optimal what you want to make. So the car looks clean. Here, the fitment looks fine to me right now. Now the offset. The offset is very important to make the final steps of the fitment. You will make this rim go to the nearest part of the ending. As you can see, it's ending there. This and in the rear. Just look at this beast. Look at this. Look. Look how beautiful it is. And this is recommended for every car that you want to stand. Mostly with body kit cars. The S15 as the example. 240 SX that got a new body kit. Yeah, this is how to get clean fitments. It's super duper easy. Yeah, look at this is an example what Yao make of a fitment. It looks ugly. It looks ugly. Leave a like down, leave a like, comment down below if you liked this video, if it helped you, and if you enjoyed it. And turn on the notifications, subscribe to me, go join our Discord server to have contact with me or maybe our community. Yeah, so happy early Christmas. Bye bye.